I think the importance is not to expand the distribution in a quantitative way very rapidly, but do it in a qualitative, controlled way, and make sure that the brand in the top shopping locations is presented in the right way. Because you can always go broader in the future, but once you have opened up a huge number of point of sales, it's very impossible to really get a qualitative presence in the most important point of sales. So yes, of course, we will also in the future, when the market continues to grow, expand our distribution, but we will do it in a very qualitative way. Yes, you're right, the Swiss exports to India, they decreased, but Rado still shows a very solid double-digit growth in the Indian market. And that, of course, for us is a big success, because being the market leader already in the Indian market and still being able to achieve those growth rates really is a big success and a very nice evolution for the brand for us. But of course, we would like to see that the import duties are lowered or non-existing, because it would of course make our offers a lot more attractive in the market. We had, in addition to this, the problem with the depreciation of the Indian rupee. So today the price level in the market is actually very low because of this depreciation, and we did not increase our prices at the level to compensate all these different differences in the exchange rate, because the Indian consumer simply does not have this difference in his pocket more. It hurts us because if we do not increase the prices at the same rate as the Indian rupee depreciates, then of course somewhere we have to absorb the differences. But we really consider, and this is I think a big strength of the Swatch Group, we consider a long-term strategy. We need to make sure that our brands are strongly positioned in the market in the long term, because the whole group believes that India is a market that will strongly develop also in the coming 5, 10, 15 years, and we need to make sure that our brands are positioned in the right way, as well in terms of product and pricing, as well as what we mentioned earlier, distribution-wise. The Indian consumer is an extremely educated consumer and an extremely demanding consumer. When you just look at the perception of watches in the past 10 or 15 years, it dramatically changed. We are far away from just talking about accessories that tell the time. Everybody knows that today a watch is an emotional accessory that allows people to say something about their personality, about themselves, and this is true in particular for men. I mean, look at us, we have a dark suit, a white tie shirt, a tie, and very little possibilities to really make a personal statement, say something about our personality. So the watch certainly is the perfect accessory to make this statement.